If yours will. I got the light pipe. While I'm waiting for the light pipe, I better get a tech to come next week. It was all plug and play, they said. It'd be fun, they said. Sure enough, I plugged it all in, and the LAN light doesn't come on at all when it's supposed to, because this actually sends power back. Let's see, it's got 60 volts, 350 milliamp. Well, it sends that out this port, and that powers up the DPU, and the pit runs off 60 volts, which then converts the ones and zeros from fibre optic to the electronic signals of this, and this plugs into here. Now I want to look up some features on my Asus router I currently got, which is better than this one, to make it so it works with that. Because this works for plugging straight into the WAN port, but my router doesn't have that. It does have a DSL. There is a feature somewhere on the Asus modem I can convert to a WAN. I think I can do it via USB or something. Because this has got the two aerials, the 5G, whatever it is, speed, and 5G speed. But the aerial is internal, and these things are useless. I want the my old Asus router to work with this, because I can give him furthest Wi-Fi to the shed, and that router can't quite get that far. So this is probably one of the last few videos, or the last video I'll upload on ADSL2 until I get the NBN, and I can start just leaving the videos as HD and just uploading high quality. Finally. But yes, more work needs to be done with it. I'm pretty sure the DPU and the PIC's not connected to my house on the copper line. So I reckon they're done. So I've got to get the tech to come and just check and make sure they're connected if it's not already connected, even though they both the NBN and the ISP told me that it was already connected. It's ready to connect, but it's not. So I'll have to get the tech to come on Tuesday to get the sort the PIC out, make sure it's going to work. I've also scored another Bakelite plug top in good nick, this one, and these 20 amp clips or power points, 42/20 series, Aussie made, good stuff. I think they're new old stock, but don't appear to have ever been used. None of these have ever been used. New old stock, just been sitting in someone's shed all of these. Good second-hand shop is nice and cheap, so I got these three and that plug top for $3. What a score! But it's good to have some 20 amp power points. Saves having the 4 pins on plug tops now. I can make an adapter out of this. I'm also I might even want to get me a electrician ticket. I want to or even my apprenticeship, I want to bloody when my new shed's up, I'm going to run a big TPS straight out to the shed. I have a big circuit, but maybe a 40 or 50 amp circuit, and just use one of these power points in that shed. At least I've got plenty of power then. They're good to have. That plug top clean up quite nicely. Look at that, beautiful. They can go on my valve radios now, or my old TVs. I've also got to pick up a radiogram tomorrow if all goes well. Customers got another customer from the local contact in an antique shop. I looked at this radiogram last year. They've finally got around to purchasing it. Now I got me to fix it. So I'll be doing some more old vintage repair videos coming up. I'm going to make some bloody room there. Yeah, I'm going to get this place all cleaned up so I can get the radiogram in here. It's kind of big. I might have to do it out over in there. In that little area over there, I think. I'll just let the unit in there. I was putting a chassis up here. And do the chassis work in here, wind up some speakers. Get this a solid step going. I'm going to order some plugs yet. I found out how to use it. I know I turn the brightness down for good reasons when you're doing certain tests. You don't burn the phosphorus. But I've got those worked it all out. Got the adjustments all working. So me and a mate had a good play with it one night. It's all working very good. I just got to keep it dust free now. I don't want dust wrecking any of the pots or the switches. It's the worst thing you want to do. So this little solar pump, by the way, works quite mint. Just pop on water like that for no reason. But I wonder what practical use could be used for. It's not a bubbler for PCB etching, but it's close. Yeah, I'll find something useful to use that for. Maybe a little pad set up with a fan, have a solar powered air conditioner, a swampy. Wonder how that would work. Anyway, waffle fan and the mic. There's probably going to be a bit of that in this video. Apologies for that, but anyway, just a quick little update video. What's coming up? Yeah, handy to have. Handy to have these. Very handy to have. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.